How to deposit a check using PNC Bank app. Let's get started. First, launch your PNC Bank mobile banking app, then log into your account. Once you're in the home screen, you can see your account balance. Tap the menu button in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu where you should see Select Deposit. Next, choose the account where you want to deposit your check. Then, app will automatically open your phone's camera. Take a clear picture of the front of your check, make sure it's well lit and in focus. Then flip the check over and take a picture of the back. Don't forget to sign at the back of your check before taking the picture. After capturing the images, you will need to confirm the details of your deposit. Double check the account and amount to ensure everything is correct. You have two options for the availability of your funds. You can make the money available immediately for a $2 fee, or you can wait a few days for the funds to become available without any fee. Once everything looks good, tap confirm. You should see a confirmation message that your deposit has been successfully submitted. So this way you can easily deposit a check using the PNC Bank app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.